Good afternoon. It's Tuesday, 14th of April 2020, and the time is about 5 to 5, 16:55, 100 hours. And I'm about to have my fruit salad, and it's a 4 fruit salad. Underneath all this red watermelon, I have 4 red grapes, 11 black grapes. The grapes count as one fruit actually because from a nutritional point of view, they're very similar. Perhaps the black grapes or the red grapes, either one of them would have more resveratrol, but I'm not sure. Anyway, I have 1 Packham Pear. It's the last but 1 Packham Pear that I have. I have only 1 left. I have the last of my papaya, which has been in my fridge. But I bought 2 papayas today, 1 green one for juicing and another for my fruit salads. What else have I got in there? Packham Pear, watermelon, papaya. I think that's 4, isn't it? Grapes, watermelon, papaya, Packham Pear. Yeah, those are the 4 items. And as usual, I've put the juice of 2 lime. This is the skin and rind of the 2 limes. And I've sprinkled my, Chaat Masala. In fact, what you can't get from this video is the aroma of the Chaat Masala. It's really lovely fragrance. Also, I put a tablespoon of my chia seeds and flax seeds, which I've down to the last. So once I finish that, I'll probably use hemp seeds because I've got a packet of hemp seeds. I've also decided to use this sunflower seeds, okay, this particular organic sunflower seeds rather than the Tong Garden. However, since it comes in this big pack, once I open it, I have to keep it in these airtight jars, these kimchi jars, okay? So I'll keep it in here once I've opened these this packet of sunflower seeds. So anyway, that's my fruit salad for today, Tuesday, 14th of April 2020. And of course it's going to taste awesome. And see you next time. Bye. That was lovely. I must say the sunflower seeds tasted a little different because these are not toasted. These are just sun-dried, I guess. Um, Unlike the Tong Garden ones, which were kind of roasted. Anyway, they're still nice. I don't have a preference, one or the other. Both will do. If anything, um, this sun-dried ones have a nuttier taste. Anyway, that's my awesome salad for today. It was really good.